Good answer. I'm not the only one. The others chains.
Ako na lang to. Go. Siguro po yung yung first na question nyo, I think yung teamwork po sa loob ng team. So, yeah. That's it. Yung kasama na pagiging mga compensation. It's compensation. And then, na-approve naman yun ng US. Ano na
Process that we follow is there's an issue in the field, everybody tries to test it and kind of creates the problem before it can go, get it goes to doctors and process.
Nagkaroon po ng bagong requirements si Recon regarding photos. So, medyo challenging po yun sa end.
any other challenges na
So far yun lang naman po. Pero, kaya naman po yung volume. Yun lang po yung medyo challenging, yung sa limit. Opo, yung sa abi po, wala naman po masyadong hinihingi yung client. Kaya, kahit medyo madami po yung volume. Pero, ano naman po, hindi naman po